Hi friends, good afternoon. Hoping all are safe and fine. Now I'm going to discuss the paper number 19, which is CMA final, that is cost and management audit. How they will ask the questions. Here is the pattern I'm going to discuss. Here you will get whatever the internal choice and all. So I'm going to discuss now set one, as we can see here. Question 1 to 10, you can see MCQs, which is normally every question paper we have starting MCQs. On offline also we used to get set 1, 1 to 10 question, which is MCQs, and final set, whichever is the last question, will get theory. The same thing, middle only they will change, and in that set B or set C, they will give internal choice in that only. So set 1, 1 to 10 questions, that is a 10 questions. Each question carries 2 marks, so totally 20 marks. So come to the set 2, that is set B. You can see here set B internal choice. You have internal choice here, set B. Either you can attend 11 to 18 or 19 to 23. So 11 to 18, this is MCQ. You can see here MCQ, each question carries 2 marks. They will ask short questions or some descriptive questions or any short theory also they will ask. Otherwise, they'll give small practical questions we have to answer. This is a audit, cost and audit subject. So obviously they will ask cost and management audit, so based on that they will ask the questions. So 11 to 18 MCQs, 2 marks each, that is a 16 marks. So now, or you can, no, you can choose 2019 to 23. So you can see here 19 to 23, this is like a theory part, which is they have segregated 4 plus 2 plus 4 plus 4, which is totally 16 marks. That is a 5 questions. 4 marks at least you have to write 4 to 6 points. 2 marks question you have to write at least 2 to 4 points, because if you are definitely confident about the points, okay, you write, or it is not writing, you have to type. Please try to practice the typing speed and all. Whoever was only students who won't do the job and all, for them it is bit difficult to typing and all. So just whenever you will feel free or you want to uh, spend the time something else, which is you are bored with your studies and all, you can sit with your system and you have to learn the typing, because it is not offline exam, online exam, and typing is the must for English medium student who were chosen the question language, which is English. You must type. And whoever Hindi, they can write and show the question paper to the webcam, so it will capture. But that option we don't have, whoever writing in English. So please try to sit and learn the typing speed. It will be helpful for in the examination, specifically in theory exams. So you can choose your internal choice 19 to 23, that is a theory part. However, they are asking question for 4 marks, for 2 marks we have to answer it based on their asking marks. Okay, don't sit and write 4 marks they are asking and you are writing 10 points. 2 marks they are asking, you are writing 6 8 points. There is a no use of that. Just think smartly and answer it properly. So this is the set 2. Set 3, that is a compulsory theory. See, this is compulsory theory. You can check this set, sorry, one second. Set, see, you can see this is a compulsory theory. See here, this is compulsory theory question. Theory question, this is a compulsory, there is no options. So they asked 17 questions based, see, 8 marks, 2 marks, 6 marks, 2 marks, 2 marks, 4 marks, 8 marks. This is audit question paper, so obviously they will ask theory more. Their total it will be 32 marks, so 24 to 29, it's a theory part, compulsory. You don't have any choice in this. So you have to attend all the questions, and based on the marks we have to answer it. 8 marks, at least attend the 10 points. 2 marks, 3 3 point you can write. 6 marks, 7 points, like that you can segregate. So next one, set D, that is also compulsory, but that is MCQs. 32, 37, 32, 37. That is a 8 questions. You will get each question for 2 marks. So 16 marks, that is MCQ. So this is a compulsory. You don't have any options. So you have to attend. They will give the options. You have to choose appropriate answer. This is a one pattern MCQs. You will get only two answers, right or wrong. If you choose correctly, you will get marks. They can't deduct the marks. If you're wrong, they can't give you even single mark. So this is one option. We cannot get any step marking and all because system will check the MCQs and all. So you just be careful about the MCQs. Last point, that is a set E. You will get internal choice. So audit, you have set E. Internal choice, you have either 38 to 45 or 46 to 49. 38 to 45, question number 38 to question number 45. In that you will get each questions for 2 marks. That is a MCQ 16 marks. Okay, 38 to 35 MCQs, each question carries 2 marks, totally 16 marks, or 46 to 49, that is a theory. Each question carries 4 marks, as we used to get the question in the online offline papers also. So 46 to 49, 4 questions you will get, that is a theory. Here you will get options. So this is the set A to set E. This is the pattern of question paper of cost and management audit. Next paper I will come paper 20. After that I will go through the whatever the pending papers. If you have any doubt or queries, please message me in the comment box. I will try to solve it. Thanks for watching the video. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.